Hello everyone, how are you doing? Nat here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to enable Windows 11 Net Framework 3.5 feature in Windows 11. The first step is go to the start menu and type Windows features, turn on or off, or turn Windows features on or off and hit enter. In this new window, click or mark or check this option and click on OK and wait a moment and select the first option, let Windows Update download the features for you, and wait a moment, downloading required files. This process will take us some time. Wait a moment, can be patient. Apply the change or apply the change. Windows completed the request change and click on close. And to apply the change, go to the start menu, select the power up button and click on restart. and log in with your password, and your problem has been fixed and works properly. To verify your installation, go to turn off Windows features on or off, and you can show this option enable. And this is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.